Welcome to the LT360 program. We're so excited to have you as a new client. I am Janice. I'm here with Karen, the extraordinary, from the Transformation Life Centers here in Murfreesboro. We're just going to briefly talk to you about the tape measure. So the tape measure that you should have gotten in your goodie bag has two sides. One of them starts at 0. The other starts at almost 2. Okay? This is because the tape measure is designed to allow you to either be measured or to measure yourself. So obviously if I'm going to measure Karen, I'm going to start on 0, and I'm going to take her measurements. So if I want to do the shoulders, I'm going to start about a hand width on the shoulders, and I'm going to get the measurement like this, and I'm going to be able to look at the tape measure and see from 0 to however long. But if I am measuring myself, I'm going to keep this button side up, and I'm going to wrap it around me like so. Karen, if you don't mind just making sure it's not twisted.
Straight as a thing.
Okay, I'm going to put it where it needs to go. I'm going to push the button for tightness. And then right there is my accurate measurement. And that is how you use this particular tape measure. So if you're going to measure yourself, button side up. If someone else is going to measure you, then they can use the 0 side. For women, we measure 8 places. They are the shoulders, like I just demonstrated, the fullest part of the chest. We call it just the underwire. On your form it says torso. You're going to go with the fullest part of your stomach, an inch below that. You're going to capture the fullest part of your hips, and then your left thigh. So for me, I'll show you what I do, and I'll demonstrate here on Karen. I find the bony part of the knee. Let's get this right there. Find the bony part, the top bony part. Put my hand right there, and where that pinky is, that's where I'm going to measure. Does that make sense? Okay, Karen, give me your unflexed left bicep. Karen can measure her own bicep just by putting it in there like this. Using the button to tighten it up. Good. Is that about where you want it? Mm-hmm. Okay. She can then take it right out, and it'll stay at the correct measurement right there. So that's how you use the tape measure. If you have any questions about where you're measuring, give me a call or a text or get in touch with your coach. Thank you so much.